about the Escalade with some Hennessy? How about the Escalade wearing Alex Wayne? I'm trying to get you lit before the night is over. I'm trying to get you fucked up before the night is over. How about the Escalade with some Hennessy? How about the Escalade wearing Alex Wayne? I'm trying to get you lit before the night is over. I'm trying to get you fucked up before the night is over. Before the night is over.
She taking off her shirt. I don't care what you heard. Fuck me until it hurts. I'm feeling calm though, just to make sure you come first. I'm feeling Gucci, girl, this might buy you a Gucci purse. Yeah, wearing the same fit as last night. I don't catch feelings or cash flights. You dodging calls from your man, just make sure that he doesn't find out like the last time. I never know how to act right, just might go shopping in pastime. Young and I'm wishing I don't give a fuck.
Yeah. How about the Escalade with some Hennessy? How about the Escalade wearing Alex Wayne? I'm trying to get you lit before the night is over. I'm trying to get you fucked up.
What's up, everybody? Arthur back at Performance Hunters here, and we got this dope ass whip. It's the 2019 Ford Expedition Limited Max, like it's the biggest one out here. This thing is like the biggest turd in the shithole. It is dope. What's cool about this car is that it is perfect. I mean, like, we're into sports cars here at Performance Hunters, but I decided to review this car because I feel like even though it doesn't have the greatest performance, it's got a dope interior and it gives you a dope feeling. Like, this car has me feeling some type of way for some reason. Okay, so if you're willing to fork out 80 grand, this would be the perfect car for you, especially if you're looking for something spacious with a good amount of power and an awesome amount of reliability, and also something that's pretty trustworthy, because right now we got the Ford here, and Ford's been doing good in terms of reliability and stuff. As soon as you open the door, this thing greets you. It's like telling you, get hop in, get inside me. All right, so here I am, we're inside of this car. Now this thing is super cool. Let's get the beeping to stop. So already you're in here and it's super nice. You're inside of a really expensive car, and it's pretty pricey, not gonna lie. We're giving a fully loaded, so that's why this one would be 80 grand. 73 grand is about your average for these type of cars. You're looking at 375 horses and around 6,000 pounds of towing capacity. So this car can technically tow itself. And the thing about this car is that it does have like 375 horsepower. So it's not, the biggest like power. It doesn't have a good powertrain. It's got a V6, 3-liter V6. It's not like a V8, like an Armada. We got space for 8. We got the new transmission system here. Now it's all twisted. I didn't know it was twisted. Mercedes has it up here. Ford used to have it up here with the utility cars, the drive, reverse, neutral. They've changed it to a little steering here. Also, with your manual mode, you can go up a gear and down a gear, which is pretty dope. It's a button now, so it's not like paddle shifters or anything here. Tahoe has paddle shifters. And after getting greeted with that luxurious interior right here. Are you fighting me? Why are you fighting me? Let's talk about the car. Let's talk about the car. Why are you fighting me, bro? You wanna go? Okay, back to this. So one thing that I haven't done in any of my cars, the feature, you push the button and it opens by itself. That's something we don't have. I don't have that yet, and I know it's in other cars too. It's been around. I've seen it in ads since I was like 7, but I've never had a car that had the automatic door. There's the button on it. Pretty dope. Alright, so in the back seat, you're not going to be fighting for room or nothing. Even if you fit in 8 people here, you'll be comfortable. Won't be uncomfortable at all. Unless you got that one uncle that always man spreads. Alright, so the dope thing about this car that I've noticed is that when you sit in the back, you got plenty of room, and best of all, you get to control your temperature. So person inside it in the front feels cold, they can lift it up as high as they want. If you feel really hot back here, you can put it as cold as you want. Dope thing is, you won't feel the difference. Like, you'll feel you're really cold over here, and you can warm it up, and they won't feel hot, and they can just make it cold. It's like a, I don't even know the word for it. You gonna help me, cameraman? The word? really don't know the word. It's separated. It's separated. That's what it is. So the stuff is separated here. You know, you won't be struggling to fight over the total temperature. Sunroof, awesome on this car. Except if it opened in the back, dude. Imagine just having the sunroof open and being able to stand up and just shout at everybody. That's a move. All right, so with all that being said, that's what I gotta say about the car so far. You're gonna keep hearing me say some cool things about it, and I'll bring it up and let you guys know. But right now, what we're gonna be doing is meeting up with Sam. We'll just keep talking facts. You know, so I was just told right now we can hook up a console to this car. Like, think about it. You got the Xbox or PlayStation, whatever you're into, as long as it's not a PC, hook it up in there. Just getting a TV somewhere behind the seats, hooking up an HDMI cord, putting in some Call of Duty, and just going at it, man. I can sip wine back here, and I got my own shirt. Chauffeur Zay. Chauffeur Zay was good. All right. So one cool thing about this car that me and Isaiah have noted is the fact that it beeps a lot when you're getting close to things. And it also got like lane assist and some stuff. So that's like the new technology. That should be standard in every car. But you know, on this car it beeps. It'll be backing out and you'll hear a beep, beep, beep. I'll show you guys a console right now. It even tells you when stuff is close by. It is, it's beeping right there. It tells you what's close, what's behind you. It might even say that this car's right here. This car, it's impossible to park wrong with. It's beeping right now. Oh, stop. Yeah, so it's basically impossible to park wrong with this car. It gives you perfect parking every time. I really feel like a tank up here too.
Literally, I feel so high off the ground. I've never driven this high off the ground.
Honestly, and it feels like super heavy, so it's like armored, you know? And Isaiah, how's the pickup on this car? Very good. What did you like about the car, real quick? You like the stairs? Look how tall the car is compared to you. Damn.
Taller than me.
It's taller than you too? I think it's like 7 feet, 8 feet tall.
Yeah, it's like 6 something.
Damn. Alright, so we're here at Isaiah's house.
What is good, everybody?
Alright, Sam's coming with us today. We just met up with him. We're here at Isaiah's. We've been in the car. It's been pretty dope. Now, I want to get Sam's reaction to the car. Hey, Sam, come over here. Come over here, Sam. So, Sam,
dude,
what are your thoughts, man?
this thing is so nice. Nice leather seats, nice buttons, nice clean finish right here. Nice big steering wheel, just how it should be. You could put your hand right through the roof, just like that.
High five, Sam.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Plenty of space.
Giant
Perfect
glove compartment.
for the boys. Skating. 8 seats.
That's actually so far.
It is pretty sick, right?
Dude, that's luxury.
And it's not like, and it's a Ford. That's the crazy thing. Like, I wouldn't, like, it feels like it'd be an Escalade or something. It's so nice. Hey Sam, how about you do a trick for the 50 loyal viewers? Oh, one more try, let's go. Oh, that counts. That's hard to do. Video, don't forget to go ahead and like and subscribe and leave a comment.
do some illegal shit.
Okay, nothing illegal, we're just going to Mexico. So the speakers on this car are super loud. You're able to hear it from outside, even when the windows are up. So, you know, that's a good sign that it really goes hard. All right, everybody, so it's time to get some new shoes. We were walking to the car and I accidentally stepped in a fat mud pile. Big ass mud pile. The Cons, brand new white, low top, thanks to Zaybaz. Anyways. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but in the dark, we're gonna have some ambient lighting. It's kind of hard to see because I got my flashlight on. I'm gonna turn my flashlight off in a second.
I don't know, I'm gonna look at the menu.
Oh wow, that light is blinking and it's not supposed to be blinking. What is wrong with my quality? That one's not blinking though. Little blue lighting on the Starbucks napkin. And the door handle, which you cannot see at all because it is too dark again. Wow. Okay. Anyways, you can see there's a blue light. It's not really blinking. It's just the camera making it blink. Over here, it's not really blinking. It's good. Additional stuff that I didn't cover before was the gas mileage. Now this car's pretty heavy, so your foot's gonna be on the gas most of the time, and you're not gonna get a lot of chance to just coast without your foot on the gas. So you are gonna be using a lot of gas. It's a bit of a guzzler. And does it take premium? Yeah, so this car takes premium too, so it's gonna be a bit pricey. So that would be it right now for the car. You know, it's not really a review, but this is the Ford Explorer. This was the Ford Explorer.